this kind of rank of 335. It's really something great. Yeah.
Yeah, so in school, when I was in 8th, I was really comfortable with science and maths. So I never really struggled in school. I understood whatever was taken in class. I never had to study it again. So my parents understood that I need to struggle a bit more, and they told me that IIT can be my target if I am really interested in science and maths. So from friends and teachers, I got recommended to Fiji, and personally, initially I only wanted to learn more, and I knew about NTSC. I focused on NTSC initially, and I just came to Fiji weekend program only to learn more and do some tough level problems, and I really enjoyed doing it. And that's what led me to getting level stage 1 in NTSC. And then afterwards I came to know a little bit more about IITs, and I finally decided to change school because I the influence from school was kind of dragging me, slowing me down. So I decided that I need to change my school and spend more time on advanced stuff. So then I moved to Pinnacle program, and then then I needed some time to really understand the level of IIT. So I was initially relaxed, because of which I kind of messed up my NTC stage 2, and I learned from my mistake, and I prepared, became focused, and stayed positive. Had a good peer group. We discussed daily, every day, literally, and and we also had friendly talks to keep us positive and all. Yeah, and then finally, when it came to mains and advanced, all I did was ensure I completed every previous year papers in mains, and I finally understood my position. I accepted. Initially, I used to get below 200. I always used to get below 200, and in the last few weeks, I got more than 200. So I knew I was progressing, and in the final exam, I completely stayed positive.
In JEE means you got less than 200.
In the preparation, I used to get 200, less than 200, but during the actual mains, I always got about 200. So the mantra behind it is to stay positive
and solve more number of papers.
Yes, sir.
Solve
And
more papers, and after solving paper, doing analysis is most important.
Yes, sir. I did analysis. Most importantly, I did.
That's what we are saying.
Analysis.
Always analysis is important. Without analysis, simply writing exam, definitely you learn something.
Yes, sir.
But that may not be as much fruitful as you are doing analysis.
Yes, sir.
Acha, tell me one thing more. That what minimum marks you got generally in exam when you have written, like any mock paper you have written, what kind of minimum marks, percentage, how much you got? I found that sometimes students, they feel fear, and because of that they don't write more exam, because they think that they will get very very low marks.
Yes,
and because of that fear only they don't write even.
Yes, sir.
Although that is the very completely wrong strategy, because writing, understanding, accepting and proceeding is always better.
Yes. Yeah, in JEE mains I used to get around 180, it goes even low as 160, and I always
So it means it is somewhere between sometime 45-50% even.
50%, yeah.
Even JEE mains also.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
JEE advanced paper, what kind of percentage you used to get?
JEE advanced, it was even worse. Like I used to get around 40%. Yeah, always 40% to 50%. My faculties used to say to target 70%, and initially, even though I thought it was really impossible, 70% is like God level. But I kept on practicing. I stayed positive, and I knew that if I struggled, I kept focusing on whatever I'm missing out, wherever I went wrong. I kept analyzing it, and I really believed in myself that I'll get under 500 in the end, because that was always my target since the beginning. Yeah, staying positive, talking to
how many hours
parents
you used to study?
Most probably my example is really bad about studying, because I was never really consistent in studying. Usually I try to maintain around 8 hours a day, and then I try to make it 12, but
We are
I rarely
always
achieved it.
pushing you for 12 hours.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
right?
that push really helped me because I knew I was lagging behind. I knew I was relaxing. So yeah, in the end, I did try to make it to 12. I never really did, but I actually made use. I actually went better, and I really learned new things every day with the help of my friends. Yeah, I always kept learning, and yeah, that was what made me score 250 marks in G Advanced. I stayed positive till the end. I remembered all my friends, family, all my relatives, my teachers, everyone. Yeah, that was what made me get a rank of 335 by staying positive throughout.
Marks you used to get, the minimum marks I'm talking, especially because I want to say to every student that it's okay, sometimes you get less marks does not mean that you should demotivate and finally, because demotivation I found that it will affect your preparation very badly.
Yes, sir.
So it is very very important to keep motivated and keep working for the improvement of those points where you are lagging. I have seen many children, they are getting 50%, 40%, they even don't, they think now they are out of the track. And even I think sometime you can get even 30%. So have you got 30% also in some test, Aman Hassan?
Yes, sir. I have gone very low actually.
Oh great.
And
So
in
great
mock
in the
test-
sense, yeah.
So, but I kept on being motivated. I kept on being motivated, and I was struggling. And I struggled every day, and I kept on learning from my friends and from faculties, and then I was able to improve. I analyzed my test properly so that I could understand where I was going wrong, and then finally I was able to succeed.
Sometimes you also got less than 30% or
Yes, sir,
close
yes,
to
sir.
30%?
Especially in AITS.
AITS to definitely
AITS.
everybody.
Yeah, and then I tried some previous year paper. Actually, the previous year papers would actually
Easier.
make you get more marks than expected. Like after attempting some AITs, you would kind of
Yeah,
feel that
definitely,
previous year
yes, yes,
paper it's gone case.
16 especially I have seen the paper 16 is really tough.
Yeah,
Hmm.
16. Yeah,
I think somebody sent me message, you only see, he used to send me message regularly. I am very happy with that, daily almost. So I found that sometimes he got very less marks, even less than 50% in 16. Then I was also worrying.
Yes.
And what about you? What kind of marks?
Like the ATS and all, like 30%, 40%. I used to take really low. And in my pattern, all they'll give percentiles. So like usually I would get 80, 90 and all, and I would consider that like good marks. Sometimes I would get 60, and that would demotivate me. Then like that's it. Like,
So I feel that consistency is playing. In your case?
Yes, I also used to get as low as 30%.
Oh, okay.
Like some exams I'll just
And
start
that makes difference. Problem is that I have seen many cases the children, they get 30% marks, they give up. They think they can't do. They are not IIT material. But I am telling you, truth is that I have seen many cases where children, they worked hard and finally they achieved it. It is not something which is only few people they have a special capability, and then only they can go to IIT. After working hard, even by working hard, people can definitely create difference. Because if you solve more number of questions doing analysis, it is sharpening you also. So every that sharpening, whatever you is coming, that is helping you in terms of. And what about you, Aishwarya?
Yes, even I also got as low as 30%. At times I used to feel very sad, but then slowly I practiced and improved. Yeah, indeed I did proper analysis.
Analysis is very important. Okay, anybody else want to say something? Amal?
Same as everyone else. At the start, J mains and J advanced, I was scoring on previous year papers. I was doing less than 50%. And eventually, as time went on, I strengthened my concepts. I revisited certain types of questions again and again, so that I would gain competency in them. And eventually, I got the rank that I did.
I think we can say what makes us stand out is that we attempted almost all tests without giving up.
That is important.
Because our goal was to get new questions, learn new things till the end, and not care about what others are getting, whether irrespective of.
And even what you are getting, even sometimes you get very low marks, that's great problem.
Yes.
I have seen many cases when children, they don't attempt all the paper. Why? They will keep giving an excuse. I will revise, then I will attempt. My point is that no, if you even if you have not revised, then also write the paper, because once you write the paper, then you understand so many points you don't know. Then while revision, your efficiency will be always more.
Yes, that's also a
And these things I keep telling to everybody, ki don't do like this. But people who follow, they get fruit. People they don't follow, they simply, I have seen many good students who don't bother all these things. They will go by their own way. Sometimes it may be difficult for them because they will get less time to solve more paper. They will, at the end, when they will do complete revision, they will get only some few papers. And practice is important. Practice will develop your speed as well as ability to think both.
Yes.
Correct? Chalo, all the best everybody, and keep coming to classes to motivate your juniors. Take it.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you.